Look at that. He's eating it like corn on the cob. Yeah. Yummy. Num 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 num. Num 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 num.
Oh, you're up there. Build your house. You're missing so much natural shit over there,
And I'll give you a peek of the baby. It's a wee one. Hey. Don't want the peel, bud.
What are you crying for? There's your girlfriend.
Look how comfortable they got in here. Hey guys. Oh. Welcome back, everybody, to part 2 of Riley's wildlife adventures here at the Wildlife Park in Ontario. So today we're going to begin with feeding some of the animals here at the Wildlife Park. I already have some of the food chopped up for them. It consists right now today of apples, carrots, and grapes. And we're going to be feeding about 5 or 6 different types of animals. And then let's get to it. I'll show you guys what we got for them. So right now what I got chopped up for these guys is we have carrots, apples, and grapes. We ran out of food today. Tomorrow we're going to be getting another truckload of fresh fruit for the week. So we'll just feed them a bit more than what we got today. And then we got some of the bananas in there. They all love their bananas, so you got to make sure you give them to them. But let's get started. The first animal we'll be feeding is a North American porcupine. And we got some friends actually right in front of us. So the porcupine's diet here consists mainly of fruit. We add a little bit of dog food to add some extra nutrients in case they're missing out on any vitamins or anything they need. The dog food will have it. So we'll just wait here till he comes out. So I guess he must be still sleeping. He doesn't seem to want to come out. The next enclosure we're at is Darla and Bigby. They are groundhogs, also known as marmots, woodchucks. They are found in eastern North America, and these guys are actually very friendly. Their diet consists mainly of grass, leaves in the wild, but here at the wildlife park they get fed fruit, and their favorite fruit is bananas. I'll give you guys a look at that in a sec. So this is Darla, and she can't wait to see us right now. We'll go in and say hi in a second. That's Bigby, her boyfriend. Hey guys. Hey. So these guys are actually in the rodent family. Who would have thought? But they're actually considered to be in the squirrel family. They don't look like it, but... So let's get to feeding them. So we're gonna start off by giving these guys a banana, and I'll show you guys how much they like it. So this is Bigby. Isn't that cool how they eat it? So Darla's still up top. I don't know what she's doing. Food's down here. But she'll come down in a moment. But groundhogs are actually very pretty. Just look at the fur. I'll just squeeze some through for Darla. She doesn't understand to come down below. Look at that, he's eating it like corn on the cob. Yummy, num 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 num. Num 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 num. Num 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 num. So in the wild, these guys actually only live to about 3 to 6 years old. But here in captivity, we increase those numbers. They can live up to 14 years in captivity, and that is an increasingly different amount of years. So the mosquitoes are already getting bad out here. It sucks. It's only like 8 a.m. It's brutal. So this is Jackson. He is an 8-year-old snow macaque. He was here with the previous owners. So we are kind of unsure whether or not he's really friendly or not. He lets us in the enclosure to clean it and stuff. But I don't know who would want to get shooken by him. He'd suck. So this enclosure we're headed to right now is a black and white rough-tailed lemur. And they're actually endangered species of ruffed lemur. So these guys just recently had a baby a few weeks ago. That's why we have them separated in this enclosure for right now, until the baby gets of size to go back with all the other family members. But we'll see if we can see the baby in a moment. Look at the baby. Oh, I see it. Oh, hi. You don't want me to see baby. Oh. This is Pez right here. He's very beautiful. Handsome male. But let's get feeding them. We got some leftovers from yesterday, but we'll just replace it and give them some new stuff. And refill their water. And make sure the little guy gets fed and watered. And I'll give you a peek of the baby. It's a wee one. So it still has a few more weeks of growing. A few months actually. Until it can go back into the bigger enclosure with all the other lemurs. Hey. Look at all that. So we're coming up to a caveys pen, which is beside the baby lions that we released earlier a few videos ago. Look how comfortable they got in here. Hey guys. Oh. What? 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 I miss you too. I miss you too. I miss you too. You see, what's your sister doing? Well, I don't know either. Hey, Sasha, what are you doing? What? Sasha, Kane, come here. Oh, oh. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Huh? What are you guys doing? You bored? Are you bored? Ah, look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. You bored in here? How high are you gonna go? You showing off for everybody? You can go up higher? Can you go up one more? Come on, up one more. Oh, you can't go that way. You gotta come back. You gotta come back and go up. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on. You can do it, baby. Yeah, look at you go. Look at you climb, sweetie, huh? You're the queen of the jungle. Huh? Got your king below you. Look at you guys. Oh. So back to our feeding tour. So we are here at our cavey enclosure. And the caveys are actually known as a rodent too. They're not the world's largest rodent, but they compete for it. We are getting the world's largest rodent in a few weeks here. But these guys' diet consists mainly of carrots and rabbit feed that we have. But when you look at them, they actually look more like a bunny. A bunny over a rodent. And it doesn't help that the guy just hopped right there. But these are what caveys look like. They look like a giant chocolate bunny, that you would eat out of for Easter. These ones aren't the friendliest, but we have a couple friendlier ones up top that we'll go see shortly. So we are at the other lemur enclosure, which includes the black and white rough lemurs and the ringtail lemurs. And with this enclosure we have, it's an island surrounded by a moat. And then it's a big pond. I'll give you a look. Oh, a lot of mosquitoes here. I'll give you a look on how the island looks. And there is about 14 lemurs on it. They're all scattered throughout it. But during feeding time, they all come through the front, and we'll get a look at them right now. Okay, bud, quit it.
What are you crying for? Where's your girlfriend? Hi. Hey. You're looking for your friends? Right here. Looking for each other, reuniting and stuff. We'll take a walk around and throw the water all around it.
Star, tie, come here. Oh, oh, Star, come here. Good girl. Star. Oh, we got tie coming in. You don't like when she gets attention, no? No. You don't like giving her attention. No. Oh. You pretty boy. You pretty boy, eh? You're the king of Ontario, huh? Where you guys going? You don't want to hang out? Big yawn. Oh, bad boy. You bad boy. Look at how big he is. Holy. I don't know if you guys think about it, but these guys are actually massive. Holy. Ty probably weighs about 600 pounds, and he's only about 4 years old. He's just beautiful with his mane. Oh, I love him. And then you got your girlfriend. Hopefully she's pregnant this year. Star. Hey. Thought your paw was broken, but you're just resting. I'm back to her too. Bye, Star. Bye, Tai. See you when I feed you in a bit. So right now we're at the rabbit enclosure or bunny enclosure, the one that we were fixing up in a previous video. And we have the friendly cavey in here, and hopefully we can hand feed her, and I'll show you guys what she looks like up close. So at the moment, I don't think I'm gonna get really any closer than this to the cavey. It doesn't seem to be really hungry enough to want to eat any food out of my hand. So maybe I'll try again in a bit for you guys. So we are coming up on the tigers. Hopefully it's not as bad as the mosquitoes today as it was yesterday, because that was brutal. And I don't ever want to do that again. But I can see Nala and Achilles are waiting for us. They're standing right at the gate. So I'll show you guys them. So, are you guys able to see Nala and Achilles? They're hiding somewhere. Oh, there they are. You guys trying to hide on me? You didn't think I could see you, did ya? So, let's go in behind the barrier and go see them. So, I believe Nala and Achilles are about 4 or 5 years old. And you can see they are very proudful because they have, that's probably from their teeth, cranked on this fence a few too many times. But then that's Achilles right here. Oh, no, I got that mixed up. We got Nala, and that's Achilles. Hey, guys. Oh, the mosquitoes are bad, guys. Where are you guys going? Huh? So these guys are Siberian tigers. They can weigh up to 700 pounds on a good day. Today, or they probably weigh about 650. We haven't fed them in the last 2 days. Today's feeding day, so they're gonna get fed probably about 40 pounds each. That would be nice. Hey? Oh. Oh, come here. Come say hi. I want to say hi. Achilles. Don't you walk away. You pretty boy. Come here. Look at this size. So, comment below, what's your guys' favorite? Do you like the tiger or the lions more? Personally, I'd have to probably say I like tigers more. They're just very beautiful. The colors, the stripes, everything about them. Aren't you beautiful, eh? Hey? Yeah. So right on the ears, they got the... So I'm a big guy. I'm probably about 6'5". But these guys come up to my hip right now. Like, that's insane. Like, I don't know if you're actually thinking about that. Them standing on their back legs, they're probably 9 feet tall, 8 feet tall. Like, that's insane. Hey? Do you got a stomach ache eating some grass? Huh? Nala? Oh. Oh. Holy. Pretty girl. So yeah, they seem to be enjoying the enclosure, being back out. Oh. like, tie, and star. This is why I say goodbye, Nala. Until later. Until we feed. So I'm gonna end the part 2 video here. I have to go do some other jobs. I gotta clean a couple enclosures and I gotta get the meat ready for feeding in a little bit. So if you guys like the channel, like the video, make sure to subscribe for future content. Tune in later. I'll be posting a new video in about a couple days and you don't want to miss it. We still have a lot more animals to be releasing out of the barn into their enclosures for the summer, and I really want to show you guys them, so please don't miss that. And then yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in a couple days here, so catch you guys later.